guys, welcome back to Knowledge Hub GPT. Today we're exploring a new AI tool that's making waves in the image generation space. Created by BlackForestLabs, the same innovators behind Stable Diffusion, this is an open source suite of powerful AI models designed for developers, creatives, and enterprises. So let's start with FLUX.1 Schnell, the fastest model tailored for local development and personal use. It's available under the Apache 2.0 license, with model ways on Hugging Face and the code on GitHub. You can also access it via Replicate, Mystic, and Deep Infra. I'm going to go ahead and do a quick little demo for you guys of this one as well. I'm going to pop in a prompt for a sunset over an alien planet with glowing rivers and floating mountains on Deep Infra, and go ahead and set my parameters as well and see what we get. Now, for those needing top-tier performance, there's FLUX.1 Pro, which offers state-of-the-art image generation with exceptional prompt following, visual quality, and output diversity. The team at BlackForestLabs is gradually ramping up inference compute for FLUX.1 Pro in their API, but you can already access it through partners like Replicate and Mystic. Finally, there's FLUX.1 Dev, an open-weight, guidance-distilled model perfect for non-commercial applications. It delivers similar quality and prompt adherence as FLUX.1 Pro while being more efficient. The model weights are available on Hugging Face, and you can try it out on Replicate, Mystic, and Deep Infra. Here are the key points that makes BlackForestLabs models stand out from competitors. We have advanced prompt adherence and high visual quality, tailored models for different needs from personal use to top-tier image generation, open weight flexibility, with FLUX.1 Dev ideal for non-commercial projects. We also have diverse output and easy accessibility across platforms like Replicate. Enterprise solutions offering dedicated customization for larger scale needs. So go ahead and explore these models and more at BlackForestLabs.ai, and be sure to subscribe and like this video for the latest AI insights from Knowledge Hub GPT. We'll see you next time.